guys, I'm on my YouTube channel. I have a mix slime. Let's go mix slime. So we need more slime because this is a slime. Let's go mix slime. Let's go. Okay, we in here only my channel and let's go put some glue. Okay, I got my glue, so let's go put it. Only a little bit. And just I'm gonna get the activator. Okay, I forgot. I have a soap in here and then activator. I'm gonna mix royal. Okay, our bases is now done. And let's go put in the other slide. Okay, okay, good. Bye-bye.